Hello everybody, this is Coach Kendall, obviously, and I just wanted to go over a few things that you need to know for this week's assignments in PE. This week you are going to have 2 workouts. If you would look in your first quarter folder, as always, be sure to open that up, and I have opened up week 2 for you, so you will click on week 2. This week you're going to be asked to do 2 workouts and to show proof of both of those workouts. So I would like for you to be sure to look at the example logs of a good and bad log as far as my expectations when I am grading these. This is an example of your good log. It is going to require some effort on your part. I need you to be as specific as possible and give me as much detail as possible. For example, don't just say I ran 45 minutes, it was hard. Not okay. If you look on this example right here, remember that if you click your level of intensity, you're going to have another window pop open at which you can then choose from this chart how you would rate your workout as far as your level of intensity. Try to be as accurate as you can, and then also explain why you chose that for your level of intensity. On your activity description, go into detail also for me. Don't just say I ran, I did cross country, I had soccer practice. Tell me what happened at that practice or what that workout looked like. For your proof, okay, you have a couple options. This option is probably one of the easiest. You need to provide me a photo, and you will need to attach that photo to your workout log right here. Okay, it needs to be a parent, you, and a large sign using the FIT principle, F-I-T-T, frequency, intensity, time, and type. Tell me the frequency, tell me your intensity, write out what time you worked out, and tell me what type of workout it was. Be sure that you include that on that chart. Okay, you are going to be asked to make a copy of your workout log. So you are going to click on week 2 virtual log, and then you are going to click on this blue link right here. It is going to ask you to make a copy. You need to make a copy. So make that copy of your workout log, and it is now going to open up in your Google Drive. And if you notice, this is blank. Okay, this is for you to fill out. Make sure that if you want to, you might change the name up here and put week 2 virtual workout log, because every single week you'll be making a new copy, and that way you can refer back to it. So you will fill this information out, and then right here you will submit your photo. That is going to push it onto a second page, but that is okay. After you complete all of this, on the right side of your screen you should have a little place over here that tells you to submit your assignment, and you will need to submit that. For your second workout, it is not nearly as detailed. On this one, you will just answer a series of questions. And on question number 7, I'm going to preview it so you can see what it looks like. On question number 7, you will also provide proof for your workout. Okay, so I'm going to jump to question 7. Oh, it won't let me. Well, on question 7, you have to provide some proof for your workout. Actually, I'm going to move that. Okay, so question 7 is right here. It will tell you to upload a file, so be sure that you upload that file on question number 7. All right, the very last thing I'm going to remind you is that on this workout log, you have to take your pulse before, during, and after your workout. Okay, right here. You had a video on how to do that. If you happen to have like an Apple Watch or a Fitbit, it will be easier for you, but if you don't, you need to do it manually before, during, and after your workout. I need these numbers to be as accurate as possible. All right, guys, don't wait until Friday to get this done. Your last workout, if you do it on Friday, make sure that you do it early enough in the evening that you can get your workout log submitted by midnight. Both workouts are due by midnight on Friday night. Okay, you cannot turn a workout in after that, and you cannot make up a workout. You either do your workouts this week or you get a big fat 0. I don't like giving zeros, so make sure you do your workout. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me during the school hours, 986-1203. Peace out.